remember train tracks winding through the pines, Portola in the summer, your hand holding mine. You'd grin like a kid every time that whistle blew, like all those old locomotives still belong to you. Backyard swimming till the daylight slipped away, that old peach tree loaded down every summer day. You were proud of simple things, things money couldn't buy. Funny how I see it clearer now through older eyes. Back then I thought those moments were all we'd ever have, but I got more from you than I ever knew, more than all the days we lost, more than all the years we flew through. I carry your work ethic in everything I do, the way I stand, the way I fight, the way I see things through. And though somebody stole the time, they couldn't steal the truth. I got more from you than I ever knew. At 5 years old, the world got harder to understand. I heard stories that a child believes without a chance. Every missed game, every birthday, every empty seat felt like proof you didn't wanna spend your time with me. So I grew up with questions I could never sort out, building walls around the hurt and living with the doubt, never knowing all those years behind the scenes. You were fighting battles I was far too young to see, and looking back I finally see what was hidden from me. I got more from you than I ever knew, more than all the days we lost, more than all the years we flew through. I carry your work ethic in everything I do, the way I stand, the way I fight, the way I see things through. And though somebody stole the time, they couldn't steal the truth. I got more from you than I ever knew. California dinner table, the mother I should have had finally broke down and told me all the things nobody had ever told me. Across the room you were laughing, playing trains with my little boy, and while he sat there smiling, my whole childhood changed. The man I thought had walked away had been reaching for me all along, and suddenly everything made sense. I got more from you than I ever knew, more than all the years between, more than all the things we missed. Because when I look at my son, I finally see the gift, the lessons that survived I got more from you than I ever knew. The pool is still a memory, the peach tree still grows tall. The years we lost are gone forever, but love outlasted all. And somewhere down those tracks, past everything we've been through, the train still runs